A. A for ant. Say with me. A for ant. B. B for butterfly. Say with me. B for butterfly. C. C for carrot. Say with me. C for carrot. D. D for dolphin. Say with me. D for dolphin. E. E for elephant. Say with me. E for elephant. F. F is flower. Say with me. F for flower. G. G for gift. Say with me. G for gift. H. H for horse. Say with me. H for horse. I. I for iron. Say with me. I for iron. J. J for jam. Say with me. J for jam. K. K for kite. Say with me. K for kite. L. L for lamp. Say with me. L for lamp. M. M for mango. Say with me. M for mango. N. N for nail. Say with me. N for nail. O. O for octopus. Say with me. O for octopus. P. P for panda. Say with me. P for panda. Q. Q for queen. Say with me. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Say with me. R for rose. S. S for ship. Say with me. S for sheep. T. T for turtle. Say with me. T for turtle. U. U for urn. Say with me. U for urn. V. V for violin. Say with me. V for violin. W. W for watermelon. Say with me. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Say with me. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yoga. Say with me. Y for yoga. G. G for Josini. Say with me. G for Josini. Thank you, kids. Subscribe for more update. Thank you so much.